Ikorodu. àwọn ọlọ́pàá ìlú ọgbọ́n pa mi àwọn ọlọ́tún pa ọlọ́pàá kí ló sọ. Yeah. Make I tell her one quick story, man. First of all, I want to make you know say if I deal with my people, I deal with my people. And that's why I've been rapping the code everywhere I go around the world. To my right hand side for here, wait, to my right hand side for here, now my classmates will go Ikorodu together. JS1, JS2, JS3, SS1, SS2, SS3. And then be this. I salute them. Let me see where they come, they be here. And I appreciate everyone already outside for me tonight, man. And most especially for our name Ikorodu, when they fly across the world, man. I want to say I really appreciate everyone and everybody that is out here tonight, man. And I promise you I will raise the flag high, man. And I pray every other artist from Ikorodu will come out and shine across the world. If you don't like that, somebody say,
I don't look far, I still run kilometers. I get the bread, plenty butter, they pour for my head, holy water.